Only speak faith. Speak the desired end result, nothing more. Jesus gave us this example of what faith is all about whilst they were crossing the Sea of Galilee. In Mark 4:39-40, then he rose and rebuked the wind and said to the sea, "Peace, be still." And the wind ceased, and there was a great calm. But he said to them, "Why are you fearful? How is it that you have no faith?" And then also in Mark 11:14, Jesus said to the fig tree, "Let no one eat from you ever again." And his disciples heard it. And then the next day, as we can read in Mark 11:20 and 21, now in the morning passed by, they saw the fig tree dried up from the roots. And Peter, remembering, said to him, "Rabbi, look, the fig tree which you cursed has withered away." Jesus, in response to that observation of what happened to the fig tree, simply continued by making this statement in Mark 11:22 and 23. "Have faith in God, for assuredly I say to you, whoever says to this mountain, 'Be removed and cast into the sea,' and does not doubt in his heart, but believes that those things he says will be done, he will have whatever he says." And then Jesus explained to his disciples and to us how faith works, saying in Mark 11:24, "Therefore I say to you, whatever things you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them and you will have them." Jesus did not have a conversation with a problem, and also Jesus did not doubt that what he said will happen, but simply said, "Have faith in God." In other words, expect that what you said in faith will happen. Remember what God said and did in Genesis 1:28. God gave us authority on the earth, and Jesus confirmed that for us in Matthew 28:18. "All authority has been given to me in heaven and on earth. Go, therefore." And having already said this to us in John 14:12-14, "Most assuredly I say to you, he who believes in me, the works that I do, he will do also, and greater works than these will he do, because I go to my Father. And whatever you ask in my name, that I will do, that the Father may be glorified in the Son. If you ask anything in my name, I will do it." So, how do I live that kind of life? When will Jesus do what I speak or say? Well, simply follow Jesus' instructions. In John 15:7, "If you abide in me, and my words abide in you, you will ask whatever you desire, and it shall be done for you." In other words, true faith is following Jesus' instructions and doing what Jesus did, living his life on earth, simply speaking God's word. As God himself confirmed in Isaiah 55:11, "So shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me void, but it shall accomplish what I please, and it shall prosper in the thing to which I sent it." So, all you need do is to ask yourself, where am I? Who is my Lord? And am I doing what he told me to do? Let's start, therefore, living John 15:7.